Alright, this one's going to be quite a bit different, so let's go ahead and give this a start here. Or I guess let's go ahead and get started here. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out, and I am going to do this diagonally. I'm using this more to get an idea than to actually draw the line, because I'm just going to pick it up. Let's go about like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pick stuff like this. And we'll straighten all this out. Now I'm going to mark this. Sorry, the rulers wouldn't stay in place. I'm going to go ahead and mark this. I'm going to go 4 inches down. And this is take 4 for this part. Alright, we're going to crumple this up. I'm laughing because every time I get halfway through this part of what I want to do, it does not work right. Alright, so let's do this. Keep this line roughly in line. I'm going to come a little further back, just using this as a guide. I'm going to go back about another inch or so, give or take. So I want to keep this all squished in, yet I also want to roll this on itself. Maybe I'm rolling too tight. Maybe I need to do like that. Okay, that's the closest I've come to what I want it to be. Yes, I know you're looking at it and going, okay, he's made a mess. I've made a mess. But it's the mess I wanted to make. I'm going to flatten this out some so I have a flatter area to work with. I don't think I want to use that. Use more rubber bands. Alright. I know. It looks like a mess. Now this part, I'm trying to decide if I want to twist this or not, and I think I do. So we're going to twist this around a little. And then I'm going to use some sinew just to hold that in place. Okay, so that's what I have, a giant mess. This is going to be awesome. Or a guide of what never to do. Off to die. Alrighty, so I have a box down there Got a piece of cardboard cut out, little ring cut out, and this is so that, oh, there we go, so that this can fit down into it. So I'm going to take this, get this through here. The ring goes on the top to keep the ice in place, and then that whole thing dangles in the box down there. It might touch, I'm okay with that. I'm going to have to ice this more than once because it is pretty shallow. That's only 1.5 inches, 2 inches or so. Let's go ahead and put this in. I'm going to go ahead and dye this and then come and throw the ice on top. Now, I couldn't figure out if I wanted to go minimalist and just go with like one dye, something that like super splits like shiitake or Timberwolf or black cherry or something like that, or if I wanted to break it apart. I think I'm going to go ahead and break it apart into 4 colors. In the center I'm going to do, oh wait, that's not right. In the center I'm going to do the shiitake, and around the edge I'm going to do seashell blue from Grateful Dyes, black cherry, and power berry. And the rest of those are from Dharma. So kind of like, I don't know, third here, third here, third here, and then center for the shiitake. It's going to have a lot of dye because that's a lot of distance to drive that down. I'm sure it's going to become muddled pretty early on, depth-wise, but we shall see. Thought about doing just like a dozen different colors, but I don't know. We'll try it this way first and see how this turns out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put the dye on and then pack ice several times. Alright, I really should have made that taller. I'm going to have to fill this with ice several times. We'll let this sit, melt through, and come back and add ice. This has had ice reapplied 5 times now, I believe. And it's been about 36 hours, so let's go ahead and wash this out. Not sure how much we're going to actually see on this. Not a lot. Alright, let's go wash this out and see how much more we can see. Here's the front. Something always has to roll off that top part, doesn't it? Here's the back. Alright, so this might look like white, but this isn't. It's this grayish tone, same as down here. I think it's cool. It's almost like a galaxy. It's like a galaxy that's like, I don't know, just like an explosion of something. I don't know. I like this. I said I don't know a whole lot. I think I might have to do one of these for myself. Obviously, because of the placement, it's just in the center, and that's where the center of the wound thing was. Huh. I know, I'm saying huh a lot, or various other things like that. I honestly thought it was going to turn out horrible. Because let's face it, it kind of looked like it was going to be one of those really questionable things. And then it comes out like this. I really like this. Opinions on this one? I feel like this one needs some extra fiddling with to see what we can come up with on this. I still have, I think, one more currently melting. That'll be the next one that's published, most likely. That's on the same general idea as this. It's also mostly vertical. There's like a horizontal and a vertical. It's the only way I could figure out how to do it, short of this really weird position take. Anyway, I'm babbling. What do you think? Anything I should try? Looking for serious opinions on this one. I'd like to flesh this one out a little more. It has potential. Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.